This week we have 6 new sight words. The first word is caught. I caught my students being good. Caught is spelled, go ahead and spell it with me, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. The next word is the word flew. The bird flew by the window. Let's go ahead and spell the word flew. F-L-E-W. Flew. Can you say flew? Good job. The next word is the word no. This is not like no, you can't go to the restroom. This is I know how to do my math problem. No is spelled K-N-O-W. Can you say no? Good job. The next word is the word laugh. That was so funny, I couldn't stop laughing. Laugh is spelled L-A-U-G-H. Can you say laugh? Laugh. The next word is the word listen. I listen to my teacher when she talks. Let's go ahead and spell listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. The last word is the word were. Let's go ahead and spell were. W-E-R-E. Were. Were you going to do your writing or your math first? Let's go ahead and practice each one. Caught, flew, no, laugh, listen, were. Now try to beat me. Say it before I say it. Caught, flew, no, laugh, listen, were. Now you're going to go ahead and go to your I Spy page on the first page after Monday. You're going to look for these 6 words and color in the full box so you can find the mystery word. Once you have colored in and found the mystery word, go ahead and take a picture and send it to me.